The big heat that you'll feel.
Right now, here at 4 o'clock, a major sigh of relief for the more than 3,200 people employed at that heavily damaged Pfizer plant in Rocky Mount. Thanks for joining us. I'm Dan Haggerty.
And I'm Lena Tillett. Pfizer announcing today it will pay employees as the plant remains shut down indefinitely. We've been showing you these incredible images from Sky 5 showing you the damage of that EF3 tornado that hit the plant on Wednesday. Well, today, Pfizer CEO toured the damage. Albert Bourla said all employees will be paid, and the company has set up assistance programs as well. Bourla also promised to rebuild and reopen this plant in Rocky Mount. WRAL's Mark Boyle joining us live now from the Live Center. Mark, we are seeing new video as well of the damage tonight.
Brand new video from Pfizer, Lena, but this is the tweet Pfizer just put out within the past 20 minutes. Highlighted in yellow is the key news. We are committed to restoring full function to this site. Absolutely good news for that community. This is the new video from Pfizer that gives us the first up-close look at the destruction to the warehouse that stored raw materials and finished medicines. Until now, we've only seen it from Sky 5. We learned in the last 2 hours that there were 2,250 people inside the plant when the tornado hit. Pfizer's CEO this afternoon saying the company will continue to support its employees and the community.
Nature is strong, is powerful, but so too is human ingenuity and human spirit. And a great deal of work needs to be done here, but I want to assure all that we are committed. We will do it. We will bring things back to order.
The CEO continues to say it will take weeks to fully restore operation there. Still a big cleanup there. Specifically, that location produces 8% of all sterile injectables used at U.S. hospitals, to put that in perspective and context for you. Matt Tallhelm continues our team coverage. Will join us at 5 o'clock with much more on how other factories are stepping up to the plate while this one is offline.
Got it, Mark. Thank you so much. Now let's get to the interview so many of us have been waiting to hear. A Navy vet, his